Welcome back in part third of our placement series. In this series, we record all the possible and basic question which is asked in an interview. So you can join this series and crack your placement. Okay. Then start. What is the function? Function is a block of code in which we perform some tasks and return a value, and it is used when it is called. In using function we can use many times as a block of code. Okay, then there is two type of function. First one is primitive function and second is non-primitive function. Primitive function which are already defined to the compiler like printf, scanf, and non-primitive function are defined by the programmer. Okay, then next question is what is the use of function in C? Function, why we use function? Because avoid the rewriting the same code again and again, or we can call function any number of times in your program. Okay, then if we divide our program into function, then we can easily track our program. Okay, and the C functions provides reusability concept. We can use a code again and again. Okay, then now and it improves understanding. Now question number third is what is the difference between call by value and call by reference? In call by value, when a copy of the actual parameters are passed to the formal parameters is known as call by value. Because when we modify in the formal parameter, then it cannot be reflected in the actual parameter. Okay, this is known as call by value. In call by reference, when we pass the actual parameters address to the formal parameter is known as call by value. They share the same memory, so if we change in the formal parameter, then it will also reflect in the or actual parameters. Okay, then it is known as call by reference. Difference between call by value and call by reference we can see next. Next question is what is the recursion? Recursion is a technique in which we call the same function again and again until a certain condition is met. Using recursion we can solve the big problem. We can divide a big problem into small parts and solve the smallest one and then return the values. Okay, then it is basically two types, and the first one is direct recursion and second one indirect recursion. Direct recursion is when we call the same function again and again, and indirect recursion when we call the a function from the another function is known as indirect recursion. Okay, next question is what is an array in C? Array is a group of or collection of similar types of element storing in contiguous memory location. Okay, then it is made code optimized and easy to traverse and sort. Okay, then the drawback of array is if the size and type of the array is cannot be changed after declaration. Okay, then there are two types of array, one dimensional and multi-dimensional. One dimensional array when we store the values in a linear fashion, or we can say one after another fashion, then is known as one directional and array. Okay, in multi-dimensional array we store the values in column and row wise. Okay, that's for all. We meet in next video. You can join and crack your placement. Thank you so much.